Hello student, today we will learn how to create a letter in Python. So I'll start with an invitation letter. So my program, or I'll write Python program for creating invitation letter. Invitation letter. So to start this, I'll have to use some variables. So assume I'm sending this invitation letter to my friends. So what I'll do here, I will create some variable, like I'll start this letter. I'll write one more thing here, implementation of triple quotes, implementation of triple quotes. So I'll start with a variable letter and triple quote. Here how I'll write this letter, uh, here I'll start with to my friend. So I'll write my friend name here. So I'll write plus friend name, so I'll have to create these variables please before using them. So I'll write here friend name, say Smith, and then friend address, and here you will have to write address. So the address you can write down, say 19 Mall Road, New Delhi, and then I'll write here friend contact. So contact, here I can give contact number, say it will give 987133958. I have given this contact number, and then I will use now these. So what I'll write, I'll use these, then I'll put one comma here, and then after that I'll again use plus sign, and here I'll write friend address, and then plus, and then again I'll use comma sign, and then I'll use plus, I'll write here contact, friend contact. Then this way this is over, and now once I have done this, then I'll plus sign, and here I'll again start writing. So to, then I'll write here subject is invitation letter, birthday invitation letter. I'll write birthday invitation letter, and now after this I will write dear friend, I hope you would be fine, you would be doing good, and you would be doing good as my birthday is to approach, very soon, so my parents, I am planning to celebrate this birthday with my, for this I am arranging a party, a birthday party birthday party. So want your participation for making it a memorable moment. So for making it a memorable moment, want your participation for making it a memorable moment. And then after this, I think we can write here warm regards. That's all. I think this will be enough. And then after this, here you can write your, or either I'll write sender's name. So whatever you want, sender name. Sender name, and then you can over this. Now when it is done, after this you can put here memorable moment, and you are requested to make yourself free as per below given venue. So below given venue, right? So as per below given venue, full stop. So now you are requested to make, you are requested, I'll write requested, you are requested to make yourself free as per below given venue. You are requested to make yourself free as per below given venue. So now you need to define here venue. So this is over, and then after this what you can do now, you can put here plus sign, and means you are adding something plus what you want to. So you can write here venue date, means when you will be celebrating it. Then you can put plus, you will write here I think like this, venue date. So you can put it as this and close it. Then venue date is over. Now here you can put as venue time, put venue time, give it some time here, and I'll give venue time as say 6 PM. Then I will write here triple quote again. Now after this venue location, specify all these things one by one and try to make it a nice letter. Done. And then you can put plus sign here, and after this you can write venue location. So I'll write it near plus here I think I'll write here venue time. So if it gets changed, then you can put it like this plus, and here you can put venue location. You can give here venue location, and then once it is done over, and then once it is done, now like this has been done. And after this you can define these variables beforehand here at the top. So right here venue date as, say, I'll write here 17th September, 17th September 2024, and then venue time is I'll put it as 6 a.m. 6 p.m. 6 p.m. and venue location near Janakpuri West metro station. Janakpuri West metro station. Unity, I'll put it as Unity near Janakpuri West metro station. So done, everything is okay. Now it is done, everything is clear here it is clear. Why this sign is coming up? In fact, what is wrong here? This is okay, then comma I'll do here, I'll go here, okay, fantastic. Then after this is done, so this letter will get over here, done, location is done. Now you can save this letter, and now when you will run it, what you can see, you will be seeing output of this. So just output, what you can do here, you can print it, print this letter now, print this letter, and like this. So run it and see the output, run and see the output. So you got this letter, venue, date, time, these were your variable, and Unity near Janakpuri West metro station. So seeing a complete letter has been created with this. So like this you can make a nice Python program for sending invitation letter to your friends. To Smith, 19 Mall Road, New Delhi. Phone number has been given, subject birthday, invitation letter, and then I hope letter has been written here. Then sender name, you can put your name here. Venue date, you can put 17. This all has come up here. So variable. This is one way of doing it. There is another way also. If you want to use a format string, that way also can be done. So in the node, as you can do to learn Python, because I think you can do much more better than this if you use functions. So this way it is here. Now we can convert this to function as well, because this part can be kept inside the function and this letter can be printed. So this is one small example of creating a program, creating a letter by using a Python program. So thank you very much for seeing this, please.